Clovis? We're in Clovis, California, just finished installing a Badger 1 disposal. This is right out of Ferguson. So that guy's the 1/3 horse, same one we got at our house. And it's a Badger 1. And of course it comes with a new line cord, which is nice, already installed. So that's good. The only thing that we noticed in this installation, oh, by the way, we did replace this flange. So anytime you go from an in-sink aerator to another in-sink aerator product, you can reuse the flange. Problem is, if we leave and then something up here is wrong and you get leaking out of your old flange, you're not going to be happy with it. So it comes with it. So we just install it. Most plumbers don't, but there it is, brand new putty. So that's good. And then a disposal new. Discharge hose is tied back in. That's your 7/8 hose from your dishwasher. It gets collapsed a little bit. It's a little bit flattened out around the turn because it's a long throw, but it still should discharge correctly. If you get a kink in it, then you got a problem. You got to do something different in here. The only thing we noticed that you might have to do, and we'll come back out as a courtesy call, when we're out here, if you start to get any dripping out of this nut right here, it's got a cone washer in there, which comes with all tubular piping, and it splits. We took it apart. It's cracked in half. Not in half, but just one split. And so if you start to get water dripping out of here and it becomes problematic, just give us a call, or we'll call and we'll find a day where we're driving by and it's at your convenience. We'll come by and just replace it. These two screws come out right here from the disposal. You slide this out, take that nut off, and just replace it. So we'll do that. Anyways, we've run water down it, no leaking, and we tested it out, make sure it's functioning correctly. Outside of that, this installation is done.